first-class play indeed. Well, it certainly made everyone laugh. All that bowling and laughing made me hungry, so I had to grab some food. I found a great restaurant called Lamsey with a hot outlook and a cool atmosphere. I ordered some good food and went on to find a cozy spot. The chefs were preparing my meal as I was enjoying the view.
Tastes very good. Like it.
With my batteries recharged, I was ready to explore more of Tehran's nightlife. Azadi karting court, where young speedsters come to race.
I
think it's my turn. It was 2 a.m. and I was too exhausted to drive, so I wanted to hitchhike my way back home. You may not have expected the lively nights that exist in Tehran and the rest of Iran when the sun sets. These were only some of the things Iranians enjoy doing after dark. From the high grounds of Tehran, Hamid Farjanlai. Good night, Iran.